It says that a double-minded man is unstable in all his ways. Do not think he will receive anything from the Lord. Notice it says receive. It doesn't say God will not give anything to this man. You will be double-minded if you think God is a God that gives and takes away. God is a schizophrenic God. God loves you one day, dislikes you the other day. God is holding out on you, or God has not given you everything already. It's impossible not to be double-minded. The law of knowledge and good and evil will be right and wrong, up and down, yes and no. Between those two, you will never know where you stand. You'll always wonder, you'll always have condemnation, you'll always have doubt. So just look at Christ, the tree of life. There is no duality, and in it, there's just consistency. So you won't be double-minded if you keep your eyes on Christ, and you will receive everything your dad has already freely given you.